Hi, I'm Jakob Hoydis from Spraed. So I'm co-founder and technical director of a small startup we created like 1.5 years ago. Spraed is a mobile app for content sharing between people who meet in real life. So we want to make the sharing experience between people who meet on the spot as easy as possible. Essentially, we are based on Couchbase as a document store. We run Node.js API servers. Our website is based on AngularJS, and our mobile apps are actually developed using the Accelerator Titanium framework, which uses Couchbase Lite, but we use a wrapper called TTouchDB. We chose Couchbase Lite because we wanted to have an app which has an integrated database which makes data available offline, so whenever a user wants to access to it. And it was important for us to also have a mobile app which synchronizes in real time whenever changes on our main server appear. So far we had a quite good experience developing with Couchbase and Couchbase Lite. What was especially helpful is the Google forum, where we always got within at least 24 hours a response from a responsible Couchbase developer. So this was very helpful, and essentially all the issues we were facing have been either resolved very quickly or someone was explaining us what went wrong. What we also really appreciate are the tutorials or the documentation, which has improved a lot during the last year. So every month I log again on the website and I see everything has changed. It's now much nicer. This is something we had also very good experience with, and I found it was very easy to get started. So I must add that I'm not a professional software developer. I learned it on the fly, and I think the process has been quite smooth. I got really excited the second day I started, when I had a cluster of nodes running with data rebalancing of data, failover, etc. It just took me essentially one day to set it up and to understand how it worked. And then when I saw how easy it is to, when I saw for the first time that data got replicated in real time, I changed something on the website, and then the change immediately appeared on multiple screens of other devices at the same time. This is where I got excited. This is cool stuff. I wouldn't know how to do it differently. We could have used, I think, maybe Socket.io, or we could simply do pull requests to check what data all the time when something new happens. But it would have been much more complex and would have required many more resources actually to develop it. So I think Sync Gateway, Couchbase Lite and Couchbase brought a lot of speed and simplicity for development, and this is for a small startup like ours very important. At the moment we actually require an internet connection, because we only store meter information in Couchbase Lite. We actually want to go to an app which works fully in offline mode, so we would like to radiate information with Bluetooth, etc. So we also think about possibly using Sync Gateway in peer-to-peer mode. This could be something cool. We chose Couchbase Lite, Sync Gateway without thinking too much about pricing. And actually today we don't pay a cent. We have something for free, which does a lot of work for us, which saves us a lot of resources. And I think when hopefully our business grows and our app grows, our users grows, it's sure that we will move to a kind of a paid, we are happy to pay for support, which is actually, right now we get it for free through Google Groups, but I think at some point the moment will come where we'll need to buy and move to the professional enterprise version. So right now it's a great experience to get all this for free, benefit from the open source community. This is good.